We are going to show this question where written equation of the curve y equals to x square e to the power x. The tangent to the curve at the point PE1E meets the y-axis at the point A. This is the first part, and normal to the curve at P meets the x-axis at the point B. Then we have to find out area of the triangle OAB. Actually, first we needed to find out the equation of tangent by using this exponential equation with the product rule, and this tangent actually meets the y-axis at the point A. We know everyone meet the y-axis means we needed to consider 0, and our target is to find out the coordinate of A from here. And the second part, we needed to find out the equation of the normal of the curve, and this normal intersect with the x-axis. Where the x-axis returns, it means y equals to 0, we needed to consider y equals to 0. In this way we can find out the coordinate of B from here. This the coordinate is target to find out. Let's get started. So let me write the equation y equals to, which is x square e to the power x. We needed to apply here the product rule. Here is the product rule. Check from here. So our product rule is here. Let me write dy by dx. Then the part is we needed to write d by dx of that one, which is x square e to the power x. So if we apply the product rule, which is x square according to the rule uv rule, e to the power x, then you can write it e to the power x d by dx of x square. Let me finish the product rule, which is x square e to the power x plus e to the power x plus 2x, because if we differentiate x square, it gives us twice x. So this is our dy by dx of this equation. Now the p point, one point p is given 1 any x value of the p point, which is 1. We are going to put this value to get our gradient m value. M, we can write m at x equals to 1. So we can write it m equals to, we are going to put here the value 1, so it is 1 square e to the power 1, then plus, oh I'm extremely sorry, we needed to write here, into sign, it's not a plus sign, into 2x. So then we are going to put here e to the power 1 into 2 into 1. So from here, which is e plus 2e. So our gradient is 3e. This is the gradient of tangent, gradient of tangent. dy by dx always gives the gradient of tangent. Now we needed to form our equation of tangent. Let me write the equation. Equation formula is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Whereas same information we needed to use to find out our equation of normal. Let me check. Uh, let me write here equation of normal. The y minus y1 equals to, you need to apply minus 1 by m and x minus x1, where x1 and y1 is 1 and e, coordinate of the p. So let we form our equation. Y minus e equals to m is, we got 3e, then x minus 1. So this is our equation of tangent. Let you write the equation of normal, which is y minus e equals to minus 1 by 3e, and the value of x1 is 1. So this is our equation of normal. Okay, so it is written here equation of tangent meets the y-axis at the point A. So our target is to find out the coordinate of A from here. We are going to put here x equals to 0 in equation of tangent. So here we are going to put x equals to 0. So where x equals to 0, it equation turns to, we can write this equation now by putting x equals to 0, which is y minus e equals to 3e 0 minus 1. So finally we got from here e minus on the right side it is 3e, so plus e minus 3, which gives us minus 2e. So our coordinate of a is, we can write the coordinate of a, which is 0 comma minus 2e. This is our coordinate of a because it meets the y-axis. Now normal written here meets the x-axis. We need to consider y equals to 0. We know that at x-axis y equals to 0. So we are going to put here x equals to 0 on our normal equation. So 0 minus e equals to minus 1 by 3e and another value x minus 1. So we are going to find our value of x from here. So from there you can cut out this 2 minus sign, then you can write 3 square equals to x minus 1. So our value of x is, we can write, which is 3 square plus 1. This is the value of x. So our coordinate of b, it is written here b. We can write our coordinate of b, x value first, which is 3 square plus 1, then y value is 0. So this is the all over the question. Now the main question is, we are going to find out the area of the triangle. If we draw the triangle here, say let me draw it. So where is our a point and b point? A point says this is our a point. We can write here a point because 0 and 2e, x value is 0 and my negative 2 is, it is written there. Say the another point b, we can consider b point is a positive value, which is the b point. So we are going to find out the area of this triangle, whereas the length of here, the value of b, which is 3 square plus 1, and the value of that value till to a from the x-axis, which is 2e, we can consider, though its coordinate is negative, but we are not using negative. So the question is triangle area. So our triangle area, triangle OAB, we know triangle area is half into base into height. So half into our, say, base twice e, and height is 3 square plus 1. So we can cut out these 2 and 2. We can write as an answer e into 3 square plus 1 unit square. This is our answer of this question. Hope guys you understood this question the way I did. I prepared another question for you. This is the question. Find the value of k where the equation written like this. So it's a very simple question. We know we have to apply the product rule. Please check here for your quotient rule, not product rule. I'm extremely sorry. Quotient rule. So let me apply the quotient rule. Here for the equation we needed to consider u equals to twice x minus 3 as a numerator. This is the u top part, and v equals to x plus 5. So let me first write here du by dx, the value we got from here 2, and dv by dx, which gives us 1. Now we are going to apply the formula. Our formula, if it is written here d by dx of u by v, we are going to put here v du by dx minus u dv by dx, then divided by v square. So let me put accordingly v, this is our v, and du by dx is 2. So you can write directly multiplication of this two term, which is 2 into x plus 5. Then there is a minus sign according to the formula. Then we are going to multiply this two term, 2x minus 3 into 1, that two term, second term. So which is twice x minus 3, and outside there is a 1 1. Okay, and the bottom part is v square. V we got x plus 5, so you can write here x plus 5 whole square. Let me break down on the top part. It gives us 2x plus 5 to the 10 minus twice x plus 3 on the numerator, and denominator is x plus 5 whole square. So finally you can cut out these two, which is 13 over x plus 5 whole square. So the question is find the value of k. So if we compare with that value, we can write here, therefore the value of k we got from here 13, and this is answer. Hope you understood this question as well. It's very easy. By using the quotient rule, you can find out directly the value of k. I prepared another question for you, which is written quotient, but the exponential part is given there. So we have to apply here the quotient rule again. Let me apply the quotient rule. Here the u is 3 e to the power 2x and the v is 2x plus 1. So let me differentiate first. Du by dx, from there we got 3 e to the power 2x into, if we differentiate 2x, then we got from there 2. So finally it is 6 e to the power 2x. Okay, then dv by dx, if we differentiate, we got from there 2. So according to our rule, d by dx of u by v, I'm going to write equation again, which is v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v squared is our formula. So let me put accordingly v du by dx, this is the value v, and du by dx is here. So we're going to multiply this two, which is having with v is 2x plus 1 into 6 e to the power 2x, then minus sign u, we needed to multiply that 2 again. U is 3 e to the power 2x into 2, and the bottom we needed to write v square, which is 2x plus 1 whole square. Now we are going to simplify. On the top we got 6 to the 12 x e to the power 2x, and next term is 6 e to the power 2x, and the last term is 3 to 6 e to the power 2x again, and the bottom is 2x plus 1 whole square. So you can cut out this two value. The remaining part is 12x e to the power 2x divided by 2x plus 1 whole square. Now we needed to show it like this, kxy. How we can do that? So let's separate from here the y part. Y part is written 3 e to the power 2x, 2x plus 1. Let me separate it. 3 e to the power 2x, if I write as a y, and the bottom is 2x plus 1, and let me write the remaining part from here. So if we take 3 common, then 4 is remaining here, and the x is remains here, and the bottom is another 2x plus 1. So we can replace this part with a y into 4x by 2x plus 1. So finally from there we can write 4xy divided by 2x plus 1. Everything matched with this one. We can compare now. 4xy divided by 2x plus 1. The question is find the value of k. So we already almost at the end point, so you can write k equals to 4. Hope you understood. This is all about today's tutorial. Thanks for your valuable time for watching this tutorial.